Okay, time to take a look at the ORICO 1-bay hard drive dock. So there it is. I like those nice rounded edges on it. Got a flap in the top, so the whole thing folds down. You can put in a 3.5 or a 2.5 in there. On the back, we got our power in, we got our data port, and then we got the on-off switch. So I do like that it actually has that. So we got a USB-C to USB-A, and that also has an adapter on it. I really like that it's got that little connector there too, so we're not going to lose this thing. So you can either plug this into a USB-C or a USB-A port. So that's nice. We also have our power adapter. Oh, that's not going to work. There we go. And that is 100 to 240 volts, so that'll be good for international or domestic, and it outputs 2 amps at 12 volts. So plug in the power and the USB-C. So picked it right up, which is very good. And I'm going to run a speed test. Okay, so yeah, that thing is working. For the sequential 1 megabyte, 8 process, 1 thread, we got 457 on the read and 163 on the write. For the sequential 1 megabyte, 1 process, 1 thread, 404 and 148. For the random 4K, 32 process, 1 thread, 97, 4.3. And worst case scenario, random 4K, 1 process, 1 thread, 18.26 and 3.99. So it is definitely reading faster than it is writing, but that is also going to be partially due to the hard drive that I'm using. But for me, that's perfectly fine, because what I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to be throwing in hard drives to find out exactly what's on there, using this thing for cloning, that kind of thing. So this is a perfectly good dock. I'm very happy with that.